Mom, why is the sky so hazy today?
That haze is pollution, sweetheart. Smoke from factories and cars.
I just read that our city's air quality hit the danger level.
There's trash everywhere. Who did this?
Look at this poor tree, son. Its leaves are turning brown.
15 billion trees lost per year.
Our river used to be crystal clear when I was young.
Dad, can we fix it? Can WE fix the Earth?
Every big change starts with one small family, son.
Starting tomorrow, we make a plan. Operation Green Earth.
Step 1. No more plastic bags.
We shop with cloth bags from now on. Always.
Cloth bags. Nobody uses those.
My family does. And soon, your whole market will too.
I'm setting up our rooftop garden today.
Leo, help me?
I'll plant the tomatoes.
And the mint.
Each plant we grow means one less plastic package at the store.
Short showers save hundreds of liters every week.
Only 5 minutes? That's so short, Mom. Done in 4 minutes. I beat the timer.
Tonight we switch every bulb to LED. Save 75% energy.
Oh. It's brighter and saves electricity? This is actually cool.
We start composting today. Food scraps become plant food.
Ew. Won't it smell like the garbage truck?
When done right? Not at all. Nature is smarter than you think.
Every Sunday we walk or bike. No car for short trips.
Racing to the park. Last one there is a plastic straw.
Let's repair this shirt instead of throwing it away.
You mean I don't get a new shirt? Ugh.
Buying less, repairing more. That's what real cool looks like.
Dad, the tomatoes have tiny flowers.
Life always finds a way when we give it care and space.
I'm making lunch from only what we grew. No packaging.
It tastes like pride. Is that a flavor?
We've reduced our trash by half in just 2 weeks.
Now it's time to bring others on this journey with us.
I'll make posters for school. Everyone will know.
I'll speak to the neighborhood committee tomorrow morning.
And I'll start an online green tips group for our street. Operation Green Earth is going citywide.
Everyone,
Earth Day isn't one day. It's every day! Leo, can you teach us how to compost too? Yes. Come to our rooftop garden this Saturday.
Our street produces 400 kilograms of avoidable waste every month.
What can we actually do about it, Daniel?
We start a community compost station. Right here.
This week.
This week.
Buying local means fewer delivery trucks, less pollution.
I never thought about that. I'll change where I shop.
Welcome to our garden, everyone. First rule, get your hands dirty.
Each of you will plant one seedling and take it home.
Mine's a basil plant. I'm gonna name it Greenie.
Community Cleanup Day. Gloves on, bags on, let's go!
I found 3 plastic bottles and a tire. 3 bottles for me.
The compost station is working. Look at this rich soil.
Our online group has 200 families now in 3 weeks.
What's our next mission?
We're planting 20 trees here today, one for each family.
This one's mine. I'll water it every single week. I promise.
Every tree we plant is a letter to the future.
Class, we have a special environment champion today. Hope Leo!
I just did what my parents taught me. Start small, think big.
1 month later, the street was alive again. The community came together to revitalize this beautiful place.
The water is clearer. Not perfect yet, but better.
Better is enough for today. We'll do more tomorrow.
What did we learn this month as a family?
That one family can start a whole movement.
That small daily choices add up to massive change.
And that nature heals when we stop hurting it.
What's our next mission?
Solar panels for the roof. But first, homework, young man.
Saving the planet is way more important than homework. Dad, the tomatoes have tiny flowers.
In 20 years, this tree will shade someone's picnic.
Maybe my kids will picnic under it. Gross.
From one seed of an idea, look at what we've grown.
And it's only the beginning.
Hey, viewers! What's your family doing for the Earth?
When we work together, even the smallest step can help our planet thrive. Because every action matters.
Subscribe to E's English Talks, for our Earth.